Hey guys, Sushant here from TechDwani. In this video, I'll be showing some serious issue with the speakers of Google Pixel. We are getting a crackling sound in speakers when the media volume is set highest. Let me open an app called Walkband in order to demonstrate this issue. So let me play guitar in this app. So you're getting some crackling sound over here. So this seems to be an issue with this particular phone, because when I tried to do the same with my previous Nexus phone, I really do not have any problem as such. So the sound is good and the media volume is high. So let me the media volume, so it's set high. So if you can see, we do not have that particular problem, but if you see the Pixel, we have got the crackling sound. Thread on Google forum is created for this issue. Hopefully Google should respond soon for this issue as it's gaining traction. If you are also facing the same issue, then put that in a comment section. Hit on subscribe button to stay updated with the voice of technology and gadgets, and don't forget to like this video. Thank you.